So it's about to clean my aquarium, 10 gallons. I can see it's a little bit dirty. This is the usually that I use, but I think it's not cleaning right. So the best thing idea, it's this cotton balls. You can see that it removes the dirty on the glass of the aquarium. So let's do it. I show you how this ones work. Of course, first thing, you need to remove the cover. I like this cover. It's like open air, and if you feed the fish, you can just sprinkle it and drop it there. You don't see any like remaining feeds there or hanging out there. So I like that one. And if you clean it, it's good to have light so that you can see where's the dirty part. The dirty part is there. You can see that those green that is stick in a glass, and here too in the very back, nose to the plant, and that holder too. You see this one? It's dirty too, and right there in the very back, that one. There, so we start cleaning it. So first you need to have trash can so that you can dump this cotton quick. It's not gonna be messy your floor. So let's start in the front. Make one passing there. Don't make it quick so that it clean all the dirty that is stained for the water. You can see it's gone, and this part too. So just do a little bit passage there. And after that, in this side too. So just one pass, and you can see those brown that stick in the cotton. So you can do that too. That's my idea to clean it. And after that, do the same thing, same procedure, the one that we do earlier. And if you see the cotton is dirty, change it, get a new one. Good thing that they have light, so at least you can see which one is the dirty part. You see, it's dirty. Got another new cotton. Do another so that you get all the dirty there. Move up and down. And this one is not gonna be stress your piece even though it's inside. I'm not removing the piece when I clean it. I don't want to be the piece stress. And they already know me because I'm the person that take good care of all of these 7 fish. You see that a little bit, there's a like lint there that up in the water. So that one is gonna be gone soon. So let's hit this filter in a while and do their job, and I show you the result after that.
So after I do a little like passes to the all the edges, so I have a very good result, a little improvement. Now after that, I just gonna get a little bit water here, drain it like 25% and change the water. And let's wait for another day. Let's see how clean the water is. I show you after that. So drain the water now so that we see the result. So all the green sticking in the glass now, it's all up. Other side, so just gonna clean this one again, get a little bit passes there, get another cotton, and let's see what's so there I remove like 90% of the dirty that stick in the glass of this aquarium. So let's change the water, drain it like 25%. And after that, I'm gonna show you the result. So I just build my own draining hose. I have the review on this one or video from the past. So all you need to do is soak it like this and then get some air. And then soak it again, and after that start sucking some water. So I think that's the 25%. I already remove it, and then refill some water. I already put some mark there to follow, so that's and add some water now. Water fill up, so it's chance to change the filter so that they circulate a new water again. So I think my cleaning is right and successful, so you can do it too. So I already changed the filter. Everything is clean. I just washed this one, the Scotch-Brite, and I changed a new one, the one in the rear. So I have two filtration there. And the one I clean, I told you that I need to clean it, touch it up. I do like 2 passes there. Now it's very clean now. And even my moss ball plant is very healthy. You can tell the water is clear and is in the right shape, and this one is after like the next day. So the filter is working good now. Water is clear. It's a big difference from yesterday when I clean it. And I just wanna do a little quick touch up to that decoration, the wreck train. Washed it, and so that a little bit clean there. So it's better to have a little bit bacteria so that the fish is keeping alive, they're not gonna die. So you do need to be very clean. And
I think that's the end of this review. So this one's my idea. So if you want to do it, you can do it too. And just the use of those, like I only use like 5 or less cottons, and everything's clean now. So you can tell. And hope you like this video or this review, and have a wonderful day. I'm out. See you next time. Please subscribe. Thanks. Bye.